Hello everyone and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today I'm going to show you how I installed RGBIC LED strip lights underneath my kitchen cabinets. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. Today we're going to be installing LED lights underneath my kitchen cabinets. Just a heads up, if you find this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week, and let's get straight into it. These are the LED lights we're going to be installing today. These are manufactured by Govee. These are RGBIC LED strip lights, and they can be controlled by your phone. These lights come in a roll in various sizes. Today we're going to be using the 16.4 foot length, and the model number is 86125. On the bottom left hand screen, we can see that the opposite end of these LED lights comes with a built-in controller. To use the full functionality of these lights, you will need to control it with your phone using the Govee Home app. We can see a wire leaving the built-in controller, and from there we're going to connect our power adapter. Here's the entire setup, and from here we can begin our project. Let's take a look underneath my cabinets. As you might notice, I have LED puck lights here, and I actually have LED lights going across, but these are standard RGB lights, and we're going to be upgrading them for RGBIC LED lights. As you can see, we have a wire leading into the cabinet. When I designed and built this kitchen, I had in mind that I would be installing LED lights underneath my cabinet, and the best way for me to do so would be to install a receptacle in the cabinet so we wouldn't see the wiring. It's not necessary for you to have a receptacle in your cabinet itself, but it definitely makes things neater. So the idea in that case would be to create a little hole using a hole saw so you can run your wires into the cabinet. The idea here is to hide all the wiring in the cabinet, and then from there we're just going to run the LED lights along. So as you can see, the black strip is installed already. So for me to begin this project, I'm going to start by removing the old LED lights I have, and we're going to start running the wires for the new one. Since the power adapter is a bit bulky, the idea here would be to unravel the LED strip and run the wire from inside the cabinet out. Right now I have the power adapter inside of the cabinet, and we're just going to simply run the wire from inside out. What's great about these lights is you could just peel back the lining, and they have a adhesive on the back of them, so you could just stick them on to wherever you want to install them. Every few inches or so, we're going to come across our copper conductors. If you find that you have an excess of LED lights, you can cut that directly down the middle. Please be advised that it is not recommended to cut these lights, as everywhere you read it says do not cut these lights. But I have done this in the past. I have not had an issue. The only thing is you won't have a full control of the segmentation of these lights. Here are the wires inside the cabinet, and underneath I just ran the lights neatly across. Just ran it going around here, and I actually ran it up to the top. This side is now complete, and now we're going to do the same to the opposite end. Here's the opposite end, and we're just going to repeat the same process. The LED installation is now complete, and from here we're going to download the Govee Home app. Right now I have both LED lights plugged into the receptacle. I have my Bluetooth on my phone, and the app is officially downloaded. From here, we're going to click the top right corner where we see an arrow so we can add a device. We're using an LED strip. So from here, we're going to find our model number, and the model number, it can be found in the back of your box. I'm using the H6125. This is the 16 foot length. So let's go ahead and find that. This is specifically RGBIC LED light, so it's right here in the H6125. We have two sets here. Let's click them. Here's the first set, and we're just going to name it. So I named my lights, and from here it tried to connect, and we're gonna upgrade our app. Definitely want to upgrade so you don't have any issues with connecting. After the upgrade, we automatically connect it, as you can see right here. To turn it on, we press this button right here. But before I do so, I'm going to pair the other set of lights. It's now asking to update these specific lights as well, so let's upgrade. Once this completes, we will connect automatically. Alright, we are officially connected, and from here, we're going to test the lights. Alright everyone, it's the moment of truth. I'm going to start by turning on one set of lights. Whoa. That is absolutely amazing. I'm going to turn on the other set right now. Oh man, that is absolutely amazing. It completely transformed this entire kitchen. I feel like I'm in a club or a party or something. This is amazing. So right now I have a special effect on, and this is called Rainbow. If we look through the app, you can see when we click scene, there's a whole bunch of pre-made scenes. This one specifically is Rainbow. And I'm just gonna go through a couple so you can see what's going on. This one is called the Universe. Check out the meteor. Whoa. Meteor shower. Okay. Lightning. Wow, that's something else. Starry sky. Okay, got a couple things going on. The lights might be a bit bright. The lights might be a bit bright, so it might be hard to tell each different color. It looks a little bit different in person, but I have to say it is much better in person. Wow, the effects here are insane. Whoa. So in the app, this is the natural section, and we have all these effects, and it's cool because you can go through others. We have festival with a ton of features, life, and emotion. The amount of effects and the type of effects with these lights is just out of this world. If we switch to color, we have all the different colors we can choose from, which is great. So we have a steady light, and we have this bar where you can really adjust the type of lighting you want. And what's really cool is that this is our LED strip. So this is our segmented light feature. So you can choose which part of the LED strip you want with which color. It's like honestly insane. So I just switched it up with every other color, you know, skipping it up. And you can make that happen. It is unbelievable. So pretty much you have endless options with these lights. You have your standard colors that you can choose from. Personally, I really like the blue and the purple. I think those are my favorite colors. And what's really cool is that you could have other features. You can also dim the lights, which is really good. Just going through a couple settings with the brightness. And these are pretty bright, I must say. It's really good having two different sets of lights in the kitchen so you can merge the colors. So on one side I can have blue and on the other I have purple. I think that's a really cool feature. I just can't say better things about this product. It's just perfect. I absolutely love it. Those are just a couple of the features that you have. I will leave the rest up to you, but I must say I had so much fun doing this. This was an amazing project, and I definitely recommend these lights, the RGBIC lights specifically. I used to have just RGB lights, red, blue, and green, but having all this versatility and options is just amazing, and I really like the fact that I could actually use my phone as the controller. I don't have to constantly change batteries on those controllers or have it going bad. Phones these days are pretty reliable, and it's just amazing. It works off Bluetooth. and you really just can't go wrong. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.